Hey y'all, I'm Mavis and welcome to my channel. So if you're new, you're welcome. And yeah, if you want to know how I achieve this weave sewing, no leave out, no closure, keep on watching, okay? And yeah, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So yeah, let's get into it, right? So I used one pack of Empress collection in silky straight, and it's in the color 1B/33. This hair is quite soft, and I can proudly say that it is high quality synthetic hair. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So this is the color 1B/33, and at the back of it is the care instructions of how to maintain the hair. If you have issues about it, you can just go at the back and see how to take care of this hair. So yeah, now this is my go-to corner pattern for a sewing, and as you all know that my cornrows are not, I aim for them not to be perfect, and I do not want to like tag on my hair or anything. So this is pretty much the cornrow pattern. Then as you can see, this is the weave is in 1B/33. Inside it's like one side is 1B, the other side is 33, which gives you like a perfect mesh of colors. Then of course the thread. For the needle, I do not use the curved needle. I use this thick bluntish so that I do not hurt myself while doing my hair. Yeah, so basically pretty much that's it, and we go to sewing in the weave. As for sewing in, my pattern is not quite hard. How I sew it, I do not sew through the tracks itself. I sew like under it, pretty much under through, so that it doesn't cause the weave to shed. Yeah, and that's pretty much what I do, and I'll be doing that for the rest of my head. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, sewing and everything. So the only catch is when I fix my part. I'm back to now installing this weave. As you can see, I take the needle under, then I kind of form like a loop, and then take it through the loop, and pretty much it. I just do that throughout my head as I'm installing the tracks, just to ensure it's well secured, and yeah, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna do that for the rest of my head, and until I reach the point where I need to fix my parting. Yeah, pretty much. And also for the maintenance of this weave, I'm going to put it towards the end of this video, so do check it out. Do watch till the end to know how to maintain the weave. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And here, as you can see, like I'm showing you that the weave is not as long as you'd think, because at the back it shows it's long, but it is not. It's quite like a little bit under shoulder length, which you must know about before purchasing it. Yeah, pretty much. But I wanted like shoulder length type hair, so it wasn't quite a problem for me, but I just thought you should know. So this is how it looks after I'm done installing the weave. So it's only the part that is left. So at the part, I go back to my crochet and needle. So I had some definition braids left, and so I decided to use that, because definition braids can be able to be straightened, to be soft or dried, can withstand at least a little bit more heat. Yeah, I couldn't choose the hair for the weave because it's way too short. If I cut it and it won't give me the grip or the look that I desired for the part of the parting. So yeah, pretty much. And that's the dates. Okay, people. As I always tell you, my ways are just simple, straightforward, and it's not something you can't do, you know? And yeah, and that's how I achieved my natural parting. Much. Okay, pretty much. So here I'm going in with a flat iron just to straighten out the weave. You know, this process is pretty straightforward and, to the point. I'm going to do that to like throughout my hair. Yeah. And I can say this hair is really, really soft. It has minimal shedding. Definitely when you're installing and you cut the tracks to shed a little bit. But I was surprised, pleasantly surprised. It's soft. It's silky. I actually stayed with this hair for a month. Yeah, a month, people. It's really soft and silky and, good quality. Yeah, pretty much good quality. So this is how it looks while straight. Quite nice, yeah. And the parting, I'm okay with the parting, It doesn't look so natural, but I'm happy so far as in how it looks. So I went in and, cut and trim the ends. And I was thinking of also like after trimming the ends and curling it. Pretty much, yeah. Yeah. After I was done, I was trying to like bump the ends with this flat iron. Like this flat iron that I have is the worst for creating like bump ends because it has like a sharp edge. But this time I was just tired and I'm like, let me just try this. And I'm like, oh my god. Like I'm gonna try later. And yeah, I did that, and then I wasn't pretty much pleased with how the bumping was going, but anyhow. So as you can see, I'm trying to curl. The struggle, yo. I was like, nope. It's not happening, yo. Flat iron, so ensure like you have a flat iron or have access to a flat iron that can create down the round bumps. So I had to use flexi rods, and I figured when you use the flat iron to create the curls, or pretty much like it won't stay as long as if you'd use hot water to curl the hair. So sometimes I would curl it with hot water, sometimes I would curl it with a flat iron. But I figured out like using hot water, like using the flexi rods and then putting in like not very hot water, but the curls last longer. And good thing about it, the hair does not tangle like as much. Honestly, it doesn't. It's quite. I'm not even joking. Yeah, it's good quality. This Empress collection silky straight weave is a good quality. Yeah, that's my opinion. So after I was done with it, I used the Gorilla Snot gel to smooth my edges out and make it like blend with the weave more, because my hair is natural, people, very natural. So that's why I went in. And as you can see, no leave outs, no leave out. So pretty much, yeah, that's about it. As for the curls and everything, I had to just do it later because I was pretty much tired, and yeah. And as for maintenance, use a hairspray once in a while to prevent product buildup, use a wide tooth comb while combing through the weave. Yeah, the hair can be blow dried, you can use a flat iron to tongue it. You can also use hot water. Yeah. And when you go to sleep, do not forget your satin bonnet. Okay. Yeah, this hair can last up to 4 weeks and it's definitely washable. Yeah, so pretty much that's it, and keep up with me, people. Okay. And do not forget to subscribe. Yeah, and till next time, people. Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die.